Mahāratnakūṭa Sūtra. The visual presentation of key turning points in numerous treasures. Volume 91. April 11, 2026. Translated by the Tripitaka Master Bodhiruchi under Imperial Decree. The Assembly on Generating the Supreme Resolve. Chapter 25-1. Originating Circumstances. Question. Why is my speech always incomplete or lacking comprehensiveness? Answer. It is due to the excessive accumulation of verbal karma, vikarma. When verbal karma is accumulated to excess, one not only fails to speak comprehensively but also errs the moment one opens one's mouth. If the verbal karma becomes severe, it can even lead to speaking in total opposition to the truth, and performing every action in a reversed or contrary manner. This is the manifestation of karmic retribution resulting karmavipaka from excessive negative deeds. For instance, according to the records in the Mahāratnakūṭa Sūtra, there were 500 bodhisattvas who accumulated excessive verbal karma. Ultimately, they fell into such a state. They could not express themselves clearly. They were unable to accomplish wholesome deeds. Yet they succeeded instantly whenever they attempted unwholesome actions.